In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AliExpress seller account. Whether you're an established business or just getting started, AliExpress offers an incredible platform to reach millions of potential customers worldwide. It's a fantastic opportunity to expand your market. We'll guide you through the process, step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to get started successfully. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the AliExpress website. Once you're there, scroll down to the bottom of the page. What you're looking for is the link that says Sell on AliExpress. Clicking this will take you to a dedicated seller page full of resources and information about becoming a seller. This is where you'll begin your seller journey. Now, on the seller page, you should see an option to register or sign up. Go ahead and click that, and it will direct you to the registration form. It's relatively straightforward. You'll need to enter your email address and create a password to establish your basic account. Be sure to use an email address that is commonly checked, as this will be crucial for your business communication and any updates from AliExpress. After you've entered your information and clicked register, you'll be asked to verify your email address. Head over to your email inbox and look for a verification email from AliExpress. If you don't see it immediately, check your spam or junk folders, as sometimes these landing there by accident. Find that email, then click on the verification link inside it to confirm your email address. Once your email is verified, you'll be prompted to provide more detailed business information. This next step is crucial, so take your time to gather the needed documents and information. You will typically need to enter your business name, your business address, and perhaps specific documentation depending on your country of operation. This step ensures that AliExpress can authenticate your business and allows buyers to trust your store if they know it's verified. Once you complete this section, it's time to set up your storefront. This is where you get to express your brand, select a catchy store name, add engaging visuals, and write descriptions that truly reflect what you are offering. Make sure to showcase your uniqueness and cater to your target customers with clear and enticing profiles. Finally, after your store is set up, you'll need to familiarize yourself with the AliExpress seller dashboard. This part is essential because managing an online store involves tracking your orders, checking your sales analytics, and managing customer inquiries efficiently and effectively. The dashboard is designed to help you navigate all these functions with ease. And there you have it. You've successfully created an AliExpress seller account, and you're ready to start selling and reaching customers from around the world. Remember, a well-presented store, detailed product descriptions, and excellent customer service can really set you apart. Good luck, and happy selling!